Today we're going to make delicious nacho. Delicious nacho. Okay. We only have ingredients. Let me show you the ingredients. The ingredients is tomato, olives, meat, natto, and cheese. Done. Nacho. Okay, let me put it here. We're back. This is the ingredients I'm saying. See? Look at scrambled egg, but it's pink. Not. Look at scrambled egg because it smells like scrambled egg. See, this is the nacho. And we got this olive. And here, mommy. Okay. Mommy smells good. Smell like they're cooking scrambled egg. Okay. Ew, it's brown. It smells terrible. Look at you cooking brown rice. Ouch! Okay, let me back up. Let me move, okay. Oh, let me move the chair. This is the chair because I look short. Mommy, ouch, ouch! Eh? Don't make me laugh with me. Mommy, what a terrible brown rice is that? Joke. Just joking. I'm joking. This is... And tomato. We got some tomato. And what is this? Oh, it's onion.
Oh
If you love nachos. Smells good. It's not look so good.
no! Later.
Chicken nangaw. He's smoking. Smell like chicken nugget. Mommy, why it smell like scrambled egg? Did you put scrambled egg? Oh, thank you. My favorite food, scrambled egg. My favorite junk food is ice cream. I don't eat junk food. I eat a frozen fruit. My favorite chip is honey chip. We got a little bit. This is not grapes. It smells terrible.
Audio Jungle.
Finished product. Okay, that's done. Okay, time to put it. Bye.